Practice set 5.1, sum number 2. The question says, determine whether the points are collinear. Hey, what do you understand by the word collinear? Collinear is nothing but points lying in the same straight line. देखिए ये एग्जाम्पल, आपको ये लाइन दिख रहा है? गुड. अब पॉइंट्स ए, बी एंड सी अगर ये स्ट्रेट लाइन पर है, then we can say that the points are collinear. Let's take an example and you will understand it much better. Let's take segment AB as 5 centimeter, segment BC as 8 centimeter and segment AC as 13 centimeter and mark it as equation number 1, 2 and 3 respectively. अब क्या करना है आपको? Let's add the two smaller segments. तीनों पॉइंट्स में कोई तो एक सेगमेंट होगा जो सबसे बड़ा होगा बाकी दोनों से. तो ऐसा कौन सा है हमारे केस में? सेगमेंट AC, दैट इज 13 सेंटीमीटर. तो इसको छोड़ के बाकी दो सेगमेंट्स को ऐड करते हैं. तो लेट्स ऐड इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड 2. तो AB प्लस BC गिव्स अस 5 plus 8, that is equal to 13 centimeter. So we can say segment AB plus segment BC is equal to 13 centimeter. Mark it as equation number 4. अब वो तीनों इक्वेशंस में से जो लेफ्ट ओवर इक्वेशन था, मतलब जो छोड़ दिया था हमने, जो सबसे बड़ा था, कौन सा था वो इक्वेशन? Yes, equation number 3. Now let's compare equation number 3 and equation number 4. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. It proves that segment AC is equal to segment AB plus segment BC from equation 3 and 4. In such a case, we can say that the points are collinear. मतलब equation number 3 जो सबसे बड़ा segment था, that is segment AC, is equal to sum of two smaller segments, that is equal to segment AB plus segment BC. Hence we can say that the points A, B, C are collinear. I think so आपको समझ गया. लेकिन अगर हमें distances नहीं दिए हैं, but we have been given the coordinates of each points, तब क्या करना? It's very easy to understand this also. Let's look at sub question number 1 from question number 2. The question says, point A has coordinate as 1, minus 3. Point B has coordinate as 2, minus 5. And point C has coordinates as minus 4, 7. ये क्वेश्चन आपको दिया है. अब क्या करना है आपको पता है? आपको इनके कोऑर्डिनेट से इनका डिस्टेंसेस फाइंड करना है बाय डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. चलो सॉल्व करते हैं, आपको समझ जाएगा फर्स्ट सम में. So let's take 2 points, point A and B. Let's consider the coordinates for point A as x1, y1 and coordinates for point B as x2, y2. Now x1 becomes 1, y1 becomes minus 3, x2 becomes 2, y2 becomes minus 5. By distance formula, D of AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now in the next step, equal to square root of, what is x2? It's 2. x1, 1. So 2 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 5 minus 3 the whole square. This is minus 5 minus into minus 3 the whole square. In the next step, equal to square root of 2 minus 1, 1, that is 1 square plus minus 5 minus into minus plus 3 minus 5 plus 3 the whole square. Next step, equal to square root of 1 square is 1 plus minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So this is minus 2 the whole square. Now in the next step, square root of 1 plus minus 2 the whole square. What is it? It's plus 4. And this plus into plus becomes plus. So this is square root of 1 plus 4. the distance of AB is equal to square root of 5 units. Mark it as equation number 1. Next, now take BC. Let's consider coordinates for point B as x1, y1 and coordinates for point C as x2, y2. x1 becomes 2, y1 becomes minus 5, x2 becomes minus 4, y2 becomes 7. Let's use the distance formula and find the distance between point B and C. Therefore, by distance formula, d of BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Next step, equal to square root of x2 कितना है minus 4 minus x1 कितना है 2 minus 4 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 कितना है 7 minus y1 कितना है minus 5. So this is 7 minus into minus 5 the whole square. Next step, equal to square root of minus 4 minus 2 कितना हुआ? This is minus into minus plus 4 plus 2 6, but sign of the greater number is minus, so this is minus 6 square plus 7 minus into minus 5, so this becomes 7 plus 5 the whole square. Next step, equal to square root of, let's keep this minus 6 square as it is for now जब तक हम 7 plus 5 को solve नहीं करते. तो minus 6 square plus 7 plus 5 कितना हुआ 12. So this is minus 6 square plus 12 square. It is under root. Next step, again under root minus 6 square. It is 36 minus 6 into minus 6, that is plus 36. So 36 plus 12 square is 12 into 12 is 144. So it is square root of 36 plus 144. Next step, equal to square root of 36 plus 144 is 180. Now tell me, can this 180 be factorized? Yes, it can. So let's break it. How? Next step, equal to square root of 180 can be broken as 36 into 5. Tell me students, square root of 36 क्या है? It's 6. So we have next step as 6 root 5. अभी root 5 तो आगे factorize नहीं हो सकता. So therefore d of BC is equal to 6 root 5 units. Mark it as equation number 2. अब third distance find करना है. वो कौन सा है? Segment AC का. AB हो गया, BC हो गया, अब AC करेंगे. Let's consider coordinates for point A as x1, y1 and coordinates for point C as x2, y2. Now, x1 becomes 1, y1 becomes minus 3, x2 becomes minus 4, y2 becomes 7. Therefore, by distance formula, d of AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Next step, let's substitute the values, is equal to square root of, how much is x2? Minus 4. Minus, how much is x1? 1. So minus 4 minus 1 the whole square plus how much is y2? 7. Minus how much is y1? Minus 3. So 7 minus into minus 3 the whole square. Next step, equal to square root of minus 4 minus 1 gives us minus 5. Minus into minus plus 4 plus 1 5. Sign of the greater number minus. So this is minus 5 square plus 7 minus into minus 3 gives us 7 plus 3 the whole square. Next step, square root of minus 5 square plus 7 plus 3 is how much? 10. So it is 10 square. Next step, equal to square root of minus 5 square is 25, because minus into minus plus 5 into 5 25 plus 10 square is 100. Next step, equal to square root of 25 plus 100 125. Next step, equal to, tell me students, can 125 be factorized? Yes, it can. Hence, let's break it as square root of 25 into 5. Again, square root of 25 is 5. So, next step equal to 5 into root 5. So, this is 5 root 5 units because root 5 cannot be factorized ahead. Therefore, we got the distance of AC as 5 root 5 units. Mark it as equation number 3. अब क्या करना है? सेम वे जो हमने पहले वाले एग्जाम्पल में देखा. तीनों भी इक्वेशंस को देखिए अभी. इक्वेशन 1 इज 1 root 5 units. इक्वेशन 2 इज 6 root 5 units. And equation 3 is 5 root 5 units. So इसमें से दो कौन से ऐसे इक्वेशंस है which are smaller? It is 1 root 5 units and it is 5 root 5 units. That is equation 1 and equation 3. So let's add them. Let's add equation number 1 and equation number 3. It gives us distance of AB plus distance of AC is equal to 1 root 5, that is root 5 plus 5 root 5. So 1 root 5 plus 5 root 5 gives us 6 root 5 units. Therefore, distance of AB plus distance of AC is equal to 6 root 5 units. Mark it as equation number 4. Now compare the leftover equation and equation number 4, the new one. Are they equal? Yes, they are 6 root 5 units in both the cases. Hence, we can say that distance of BC is equal to distance of AB plus distance of AC. Therefore, we can say that points A 1, minus 3, B 2, minus 5, C minus 4, 7 are collinear. Students, this sum is for 3 marks and you have to practice it very nicely. It's very simple, but practice it again and again. We'll meet up with sub question number 2. Thank you.